All right, today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm using my drone for the first time, so you'll have to let me know how it goes. I've got a different speaker, or I should say a microphone attached to me. I have no idea what I'm doing here, but let me go ahead and do this. All right, so today I want to talk to you about how easy it is to write your own book. It's so simple that all you have to know how to do is use Microsoft Word and a browser. And I created a Microsoft Word document that I use to create these 4 books of mine. And I'm going to provide it for you right here as a template. And it's so simple. All you have to do is write your book. And then you'll see that on the first page here of this template, I explain a couple things. Number 1, how to get your book on Amazon, okay, for a print version. How to get your book on Kindle for the electronic version. And lastly, how to get your book on audible.com. It's really easy. It's so interesting because whenever you order a book, what happens is a lot of times it hasn't been printed yet. And you can tell because if you look on the last page, you'll see actually, I've got another camera here, so I'll zoom in here. You'll see that the day that book was printed. So anyway, I'll keep this one short today. Writing a book is really, really easy, and it impresses the heck out of anybody that's a potential customer for you or a potential employer. Imagine what they'll think when you come to a meeting and you actually bring one of these to them. It costs you nothing. Okay, I don't sign up with publishers. I do it all myself. It's called self-publishing. Anybody can do it. And the last thing I'll tell you is the only thing you have to spend a little bit of money on, like $5 or so. Oh, running out of battery here. So I'm gonna land this here and switch over here. Okay. I had to do a forced landing. These things just chew through batteries. So anyway, this is what it looks like. You hook up your iPhone directly to it. It's a lot of fun. But what I was saying, and I apologize for getting cut off there, was good thing I had this on too, is that what you need to do though is the only thing you need to spend money on is to get the cover made, which you can do at Fiverr.com. That's 5 with 2 R's.com. I mentioned it a couple times over the past week or two during these vlogs. And you can get a graphic artist somewhere around the world to create it for you really cheap. And then what you do is you upload it to Amazon as an image, and then you're done. You're done. Okay, so let's check out this drone here. I want to show it to you. It's actually really, really cool. It's like a transformer to the extent that you can fold it up and put it in your bag. A lot of people actually, a lot of the extreme sports people, what they do is they put these things in their backpack and actually someone put it in their back pocket. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to fold this up. So first of all, let me turn it off. Safety first. It's got a 4K camera. I will figure out how to use it soon. I put this special landing gear on. You don't have to do that, but I chose to do so. And then you just fold it like this. I'll show you. It's remarkably small. All right, and it's got a gimbal here. What that means is a new word for me. Is it allows you to kind of move the camera around if you want to, or automatically have it follow you, which is my next goal. I want it to follow me automatically so I can just focus on vlogging and not recording. And it folds up like this, and you can take the landing gear off if you want it as well, and you just put it in your backpack. It's pretty cool, huh? Pretty neat. So the company that dominates this sector is called DJI. I think it's a Chinese company. They make incredible drones, just amazing. Now you have to register with the FAA if you want to use these things in the United States. And every country is a little bit different. And there's restrictions. You're not allowed to go over 400 feet high. And for me, actually, I had a camera crew with me in Prague when I was recording a lot of my trailers for my other courses. And the drone didn't work when we were on a beautiful bridge in Prague because it was too close to a government building. And so these things automatically shut down or won't fly into no-fly zones. And so it's really interesting. So if you're going to think about getting one, you can always go online and search for no-fly zones where you live right now. Let me make a lot of mistakes though with this, so I can help you work smarter, not harder. I want to get to the point where I can do a lot of my vlogs with this. Anyway, if this was helpful, and only if this was helpful, please click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you mañana. Thank you.